this connection with you, this is the world of difference. The fact that you guys are taking time to actually communicate with your clientele on this basis. With you guys, we are getting a much needed step-by-step guidance on, this is step 1, this is step 2. Where with 7-day challenge we did with Tony and Dean and the team of them, it was 7 days spent on a website. Spending all of our day. It was 3 or 4 hours every day that we had to watch them, and even at the end of their whole challenge, it was still, the head scratch of, what's the first step? Do we get there?
These are great ideas. How do we implement it?
All we had was, make videos and put them online, and people are going to buy it and they'll listen to you. And it's not the case at all.
No.
Not at all. Not even use their master app platform to sell from.
No.
It doesn't give you, we're just so in love with the foundations that you're giving us and the way that it's provided.
And that's
it's literally being back in elementary or high school. Is the homework you have to do. Step 1 is this. Do that before I'm going to even give you worksheet 2, and it has to be that way.
It made us realize that there's a lot more groundwork and foundation work to be done. Even before you try and shoot your first video or put out your there's all this background market research, who's your audience, getting all of that down first, knowing who you're catering to is more important than just catering.
And this is why we exist, and this is why I wanted to talk to you guys before, because if you listen to some of the people out there, you might think oh, I just have to create a course, I just have to create videos. And it's if you don't want to make money, sure. But if you're trying to build a business, you can't do it that way. Most people just start at the wrong step. And this is where we come in, and we just have to clean up other people's messes. Or we're okay, we love you. Let's just take a lot of steps back. Not because you failed, but because you had a bad advice.
That tells us we were so frustrated before. We just had to
spinning the wheels and just getting nowhere because they didn't give us the stuff that you have to do before you try and put any kind of product, service, whatever on the market. You have to do this stuff first. These things that get taught, whereas you guys teach the concrete action.
Yeah, we won't have you do anything that does not bring in a sale. There is literally nothing, there is not a single assignment that we have you do that isn't essential for bringing in clients and doesn't directly lead to bringing in clients.
Those other programs that we've just kind of looked at, that they tend to promise more that quick thing, right? You're going to take our course and you're going to be selling your modules right away kind of thing, and
taking perfect action.
Yeah.
Go for it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we did, and nothing happened.